Found the house, called up the broker. Oh, I want to buy the house, sight unseen. They were going with it. They were like, oh, great. Well, do you have a mortgage company? Yeah. I have one, so called up the mortgage company.
Now, before the interview, you actually told us a story about, or a little bit about a story when you were 16 years old and you were actually wanting to buy your first house. Can you kind of tell us a little bit more about that?
Yep. So growing up, my grandfather was always a proponent of buying property. He said that's the only thing, or land, that's the only thing that they don't make any more of in this world. So, just always hearing that, at the age of 16, I was kind of interested. This was the height of the market. And, so you heard about real estate. Real estate was probably when the flipping shows started as well, or probably shortly before. Maybe that came a little bit before. So my interest was really peaked. So I was looking everywhere. I was looking on Craigslist one day, found the house, called up the broker. Oh, I want to buy the house, sight unseen. They were going with it. They were like, oh, great. Well, do you have a mortgage company? I have one, so called up a mortgage company. They were going for it. Um, you know, this whole time they, weren't asking me any of those like real questions. As far as like, hey, not that they can ask you really how old are you, but do you have a job or anything? Because obviously you didn't need a job, you didn't need income, you didn't need any assets. So all they were concerned about was, okay, well, you'll need X amount as a down payment to close on the property. Is that fine? I'm like, yeah, sure. My granddad's gonna gift me some money, and they were just going along with it. And then like, once they started like, all right, well, we'll send over the paperwork, and I saw that it was getting real. I had to back up and back off, but yeah, that was my first attempt.